Welcome, dear children. A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study from English grammar and writing skills, adverbs. Let us know the definition of adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb. An adjective or another adverb. I repeat once again, an adverb is a word that modifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So children, the adverb adds up or modifies up something to the verb, adjective and another adverb. It adds up the meaning to these terms, verb, adjective and adverb. So let us know in detail to understand this definition. The first thing is adverbs modifying verbs. Children, verbs are the action words. Verbs tells us the action. First example, birds flew everywhere. So which is the verb over here? Yes, flew. Flew is the verb. So the adverb everywhere modifies the verb flew. How the birds flew? Everywhere. The birds flew everywhere. Okay. Let us go to the next one. The old lady walked slowly. So the adverb slowly modifies the verb walked. Walked is the verb over here and the word slowly is the adverb. He works hard. The adverb hard modifies the verb works. So works is the verb here and the adverb which is modifying it is hard. So children, here everywhere is the adverb, slowly is the adverb and hard is the adverb. Let's move on to the next one. Adverbs modifying adjectives. So adjectives are the describing words, the words which describes the nouns. Okay. Now let us see through the examples what we can understand. Rima is a very beautiful girl. Now here the adverb very modifies the adjective beautiful. Rima is a very beautiful girl. These mangoes are extremely sweet. The adverb extremely modifies the adjective sweet. So sweet is the adjective and extremely is the adverb. The walk was rather long. The adverb rather modifies the adjective long. So long is the adjective and the adverb is rather. So children, the adjectives are very, sweet. Next is adverbs modifying other adverbs. Now let us see. I can hear it quite clearly. The adverb here is quiet, modifies the adverb clearly. So quite clearly. The adverb here is quiet, which is modifying the another adverb that is clearly. Do not walk so fast. The adverb so modifies the adverb fast. Do not walk so fast. So both are adverbs and the adverb so modifies or adds up to the adverb fast to show how much fast. Next is the man does his work too carefully to make mistakes. The adverb here to modifies the adverb carefully. So, adverbs answer the questions how, when, where, how often, etc. Now children, let us see few more examples to make the concept clear. She sang well. How did she sing? Well. The answer comes well. It rained today. When did it rain? Today. Birds flew everywhere. Where did the birds flew? Everywhere. I saw the movie twice. How often did I see the movie? Twice. So in this, the words well, today, everywhere, twice, these are the adverbs in the sentences. They answer the questions such as how, when, where, how often. Now let us know about kinds of adverbs. Kinds of adverbs. There are four important kinds of verbs. The first one is adverbs of manner. Now read these sentences. She sang well. The lion roared loudly. In the first sentence, well modifies the verb sang. Okay, sang is the verb. This is modified by the adverb well. It tells us how the girl sang. In the second sentence, the adverb loudly modifies the verb roared. It tells us how the lion roared. Yes? So these adverbs answer the question how. They are called adverbs of manner. So when the adverbs answer the how questions, you get the adverb of manner. Next kind of adverb is adverbs of time. Read the sentences. I met him yesterday. The principal wants the register now. So in the first sentence, yesterday modifies the verb met. I met him yesterday. Met is the verb. It is modified by the adverb yesterday. Next, the principal wants the register now. In this sentence, now is the adverb which is modifying the verb wants. It tells us when the principal wants the register. And in the first sentence, it tells us when I met him. So, these adverbs answer the question when. They are called adverbs of time. Next is adverbs of place. Read these sentences. Fast trains stop here. The children went ahead. So in the first sentence, the adverb here modifies the verb stop. It tells us where fast trains stop. In the second sentence, the children went ahead. The verb went is modified by the adverb ahead. It tells us where the children went. So, these adverbs answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. These adverbs tell the place where the action has taken place. So they are known as adverbs of place. Next is adverbs of frequency. Now read these sentences. They seldom visit us. Bertha will never daydream again. So here in the first sentence, adverb seldom modifies the verb visit. It tells us how often they visit us. In the second sentence, Bertha will never daydream again. In this sentence, adverb never modifies the word will never. So it tells us how often Bertha will daydream. So these adverbs answer the question how often. They are called adverbs of frequency. How often the actions are being done. So it is known as the adverbs of frequency. So children, I hope you have understood the topic adverbs. We have studied how the adverbs modify the verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Then we have studied kinds of adverbs, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency. Now let us come to exercise. The first question, underline the adverbs in the following sentences. So here the first one is already done. Gopal Pant heard all the commotion and rushed inside. So the word inside is the adverb. You must use your money carefully. Come on, you can tell what is the answer? Yes, carefully. The big beast walked to the edge and crouched down. The answer is down. Down is the adverb. Number 4. I returned late from office and the streets were bare then. So here late and then are the adverbs. Okay. So we'll move to the second question. The remaining you can do it on your own. Question number 2 is write the adverb forms ending in ly of the following. First one is already done. Lucky, luckily. Y is changed to I and ly is added. Now the word real will change into really. R-E-A-L-L-Y. Really. Number 3. Clear, clearly. You just have to add ly to the word clear. Powerful, powerfully. P-O-W-E-R-F-U-L-L-Y. Okay. The remaining you can do it on your own. Write with pen in the grammar book. Next, number 3 question. Fill in the blanks with the following sentences with suitable adverbs of manner, selecting them from the words given below. First one is done. The poor man ate the food greedily. You have to choose the word from the bracket given. Anwar solved all the sums. How he solved all the sums? Bravely, busily, correctly, equally, faithfully, happily, slowly. How? Correctly. So the second answer is correctly. Next, number 3. The 3 teams were dash intelligent and anyone could win. So the third answer is equally. Okay. The 3 teams were equally intelligent and anyone could win. Have you followed, children? Solve the remaining ones on your own. Question 4. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable adverbs of place, selecting them from the words given below in the bracket. She couldn't find the shawl anywhere. These are the adverb of place. Now what you have to fill in the blanks. The balloon rose upwards. Upwards is the answer for the second one. The balloon rose upwards. You will have to wait dash until the doctor calls you in. Outside. So the third answer is outside. You will have to wait outside until the doctor calls you in. Okay? The other sentences, you solve it on your own. Question number 5, that is the last question. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable adverbs of time or frequency. Two types of adverbs are given here, time and frequency. Select from the words given below and fill in the blanks. Ritik exercises daily. This is adverb of frequency, daily. How often he exercises? Daily. I shall write again to you, dash. I shall write again to you soon. So soon will be the adverb of time. Number 3. I woke up dash this morning. I woke up early this morning. So the word early also tells us about the adverbs of time. I woke up early this morning. Number 4. When the teacher walked in, the children kept quiet immediately. So the fourth answer is immediately. So in this way, you have to solve the remaining sentences what is given to you and complete the exercise. Write with pen. Read the lesson again. Thank you, dear children.